Hello all.
My new DIY project is a simple work extension to improve space and functionality. In this project, I'm using different types of studs that are strong enough to provide solid support and durability. I cut and use them as needed for the project. And I never throw away leftover lumber. I reuse it for various projects and renovations. In this video, I'm using my main sliding miter saw from Ryobi, which is a great tool for beginners thanks to its ease of use and reliable performance. It really helps make clean and accurate cuts. In the near future, I'm also planning to build a dedicated bench for the saw to improve my workspace setup. I'll be sharing that project with you soon, so stay tuned. Now for the top surface, I'm adding plywood boards to the frame, which will give it a sturdy, smooth base and make the whole structure more durable. The foldable and adjustable brackets are the most important part of this workbench design. They provide strong support to the frame while also allowing me to adjust the height based on the type of work I'm doing. Another big advantage is that they let the entire setup fold down easily, making it perfect for saving space when the bench is not in use. Right now I'm testing small, foldable bracket before installing it. This helps me confirm that the folding mechanism, alignment, and support are all working properly, so I don't run into any issues later. Now I've moved on to the next step, building a custom frame to fit my setup. I'm carefully measuring the existing table so everything lines up perfectly for installing the foldable mechanism. Based on those measurements, I'm cutting the studs to the exact required dimensions to ensure a strong, precise fit. Now I'm starting to assemble the frame. I begin by pre-drilling all the joints to prevent the wood from splitting and to keep everything aligned. Before fastening, I apply a layer of wood glue on each connection for extra strength. Then, using my DeWalt impact driver, I secure the pieces together with wood screws. I'm building the frame step by step, adding each piece carefully to make sure it stays square and solid. The combination of glue and screws gives the frame a strong, durable structure that will hold up well over time. There's a real sense of accomplishment in crafting something with your own hands. And this project is a perfect example. When you're assembling the frame for your extension board, taking the time to properly glue and screw each joint is where the magic happens. It's not just about making it look good. It's about ensuring it's built to last, ready to support you comfortably for years to come. Right now, I'm carefully measuring the plyboard. This is a crucial step to ensure everything fits perfectly for the top platform. Precision here means a sturdier, more reliable final product. Once the measurements are spot, we'll be cutting the board to size. This plywood piece is going to fit perfectly, securing everything and adding that final layer of sturdiness. It's a satisfying moment when all the elements come together, isn't it? Now I'm assembling and attaching the main folding lever to the frame, creating an extension board that expands my workbench for a larger, more functional work surface. Thanks so much for following along on this DIY build. I hope you enjoyed seeing how the workbench extension came together and found it useful or inspiring. Stay tuned. There are more creative DIY projects coming your way soon.